welcome to the channel. Now, there are numerous ways to finish wood. When I say finish, I mean coat it in something nice. I like to use linseed oil mostly, but I think it's about time I branched out a little, and so I bought some shellac flakes. These are the flakes of something. That's what it looks like. And I'm going to turn that with some methylated spirits into shellac finish. Whether that be lacquer, I don't know what you call it actually, which is a good point. Let's see how we do. What is it? What is shellac? It is a resin secreted by the lac bug, mixed with alcohol to create the finish. So what's the recipe? So, 1 pound of shellac flakes, 1 gallon of alcohol. Now we're using methylated spirits here because the UK in their wisdom has decided we don't know not to drink denatured alcohol out of the bottle, and also added a little violet dye to reinforce that fact. The flakes themselves mix with the spirits and dissolve slowly over a number of hours, it appears. And once they do, we have our finished product. 1 pound of shellac flakes to 1 gallon of methylated spirits. Now that ratio produces a thin kind of shellac, but I've decided in this particular instance to go with a 2 pound cut, which makes us for a slightly thicker product, but also one that can be watered down with mess if I want it to be thinner when I use it. I've had to use the metric version, and the metric version essentially is 24 grams per 100 millilitres. So I weighed out 48 grams for 200 millilitres, and that is a 2 pound cut. 24 grams of shellac flakes to 100 millilitres of fluid is a 2 pound cut equivalent, and that's what we're going for. Okay, when it's done, we will come back and we will test it out on a bit of wood. How's that sound? Nice. Okie dokie, so we made the shellac. Relatively simple process. Really enjoyed applying it in probably 5 or 6 coats I eventually did on this. And then finishing it off with a bit of 4-0 wire wool and some paste wax to really bring out the shine. And it's beautiful in comparison before and afterwards. Now the thing is that the shellac itself does only have a shelf life of between maybe 6 months to a year. I think it's dependent on many variables that I don't know. So I will have to use the remainder of that shellac on the upcoming projects, whatever they may be. So why don't you join me on the next video where we will make something else and then probably cover it in shellac.